to our channel. Today we are going to learn guitar. First, you should know parts of the guitar. This is body of the guitar. This is headstock. You can see these white dots. These are called position marks. These dots. These lines are frets. Fret number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is bridge. This is tuning pads. This is headstock. These three are metal strings. These three are bass strings. These three are metal strings. Bass, bass, bass. Metal, metal, metal. Now try to learn string number 1, 1, 2, 3, string number 2, 1, 2, 3, string number 3, 1, 2, 3. Now like this. String number 1, this is. Now string number 2. Now string number 1. Now you should do faster. That's fast. Now we will learn string number 5, 6 and 4 in next class. Thank you.